Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to make a hidden paper clip. And let me show you, this would be perfect for your junk journals or just for your everyday papers. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper, and it measures 2.5 by, oh, I don't even know, let's see, 2.5 by 3. So 2.5 by 6 is what it measures, and then we cut in half, so it measures at 3. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take our paper trimmer or score tool, and even though it's at 3, we're going to score it at 2. So we're going to score that, and we are going to bend these little guys back, just like that. Now you're going to want to look at your, I just have this that has 2 stamps on it, and you're going to look and you're going to see if you like it like this, or if you'd rather have it like this. And I think I like it like this. Let me see, because I am going to put some lace on it, so this actually might be a little bit better. I think this is going to be better. So now that I've got that done, I want to turn these into some nice edges. So I'm going to take my corner rounder, and I'm going to round those corners. And I am making sure that it is folded. I did one that wasn't folded, and I'll show you the mistake that I made. And I didn't mind it, but I just want to show you how I meant to do them. And now I'm rounding these corners as well, so you get this great little oval square, a squoval. All right, so we're going to put this like this. Now we need to get our paper clip, and we're going to take our paper clip and we're going to put that underneath this piece here, all the way down, right in the center. And then we're going to take our glue, or you can take your tear tape, you can take whatever adhesive you want. We're just going to put that all the way to the edge here. And put that there. And then we're going to take that and we're going to build that up. And push that down and get that glue all the way there. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. These are very quick, very easy, and very pretty, especially for your junk journals. And we are going to put these guys in here, clean up any glue, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take some ribbon. I'm just going to take a couple pieces of ribbon here. We're going to add those ribbons right along here. We're going to take that ribbon and put it right there. So that's why I decided to go with the gray side, because I knew I'd be covering it up and I wanted to see those pretty flowers. And then I'm going to turn and do this other side as well. Now I'm only doing here, but if you did it down here because you wanted to get that ribbon on there nicely, you could do that as well. So we're going to put that on there, just like that. Then we're going to take this piece here, we're going to put some glue on here, and you can put enough. I'm going to do the same on this side. Making sure you get it all the way to the edge because you do want it to stick rather nicely. And then you could either put it all the way in there, or you can just put it slightly in there so that you have a little bit of a tab, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to tab these and put these down so the ribbon just peeks out from underneath. And I'm just going to push those down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide, how do I want to embellish these? I could put a little button on here, just like that, which is really cute. And on this side, this is going to be this way, so it all depends on how you're going to want your book. It's going to fit nicely in this way, it's going to work that way, and it's going to work that way. And if you put it in this way, it's going to work this way and this way, so you'll be able to see it both sides up. So I could put that. I could put some little embellishments right here, and I could do both. So let's go ahead and do both. I think I like the button on this side, and I think I might like a bigger button. I do. I'm going to put that button. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to glue that down. You can work with hot glue if you'd rather do hot glue. I'm just using, I'm actually using this, the multi-liquid, multi-purpose glue from Stampin' Up, and you can grab that on my site if you'd like. We're going to put that down, and yeah, I just stuck that in here. This is refillable, which I love. And then on this one, I think I'm going to take some little, where's my favorite tool in all the world? Oh, here it is. Like, oh my gosh, how did I lose that? I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to put one right there. One right there. And one right there. Oh. Right there. I mean, you can add anything to these little nice pretty flowers, stickers, whatever you'd like. And then we're just going to go back and cut off all that extra. Now, what you could do as well, which I didn't do, is you could have gone in and used some brown on there to give it a nice kind of vintage look. Let's see if I have I do have this. And so we'll just go through, and you see it instantly gives a nice little vintage look here. Just like that. See the difference? So I gave that a nice vintage look. We'll do that to the other side as well. And I'm going to do this side as well. Look at that. We'll do this as well. And now you have a great little hidden paperclip. So we turned an ordinary little red paperclip into this paperclip, and let me show you. Let me see here. I'll have a piece of paper or a book, and all you do is you're going to take that, and now you have this nice little tag here. So you have that side, I'll show you. You have that side, and then when you turn the page, you have that side. So that is nice. Let me show you the other ones that I've done. This one, gratitude is the heart's memory. This one I used a ribbon button. And this one here, this would go on this side, just like that. I did this one here. This one I just put the little dots here. And I did this closer to the edge. And you see where I rounded it before I folded it up, so this makes like an oval. And then this one can go right on top if you want it like that. And then here's another little one. Again, this one is a postcard, so it can go on top, and they look like stamps. This one sits higher. And then there's this one. If you put it on this side, and it says learn, live, learn, discover. Again, I used that button. So you can see this is different lace. You can just make them however you like. Different lace, different paper, all different, and they have a nice weight to them. And I just think they are the cutest things. So I hope you like this. If you do, make sure that you leave a little love on my page. It helps my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.